Good day everyone, my name is Alan Paul N. Ronquillo from ME11 and I'm the project head of the Project Saling Lahi Koneksyon ng Dalawang Henerasyon. So for today, we're going to discuss the individual reflection on the said community engagement. So first, if you're going to ask me how am I, I'm very fine because naging successful po yung project na ginawa namin, and together with my team, the other committee heads and the DMJ11 and ME11, naging successful po yung event na yon through our efforts, through our sacrifices, and our cooperation. So I really appreciated them. Did you enjoy our community engagement? Yes, of course po. I really enjoyed the community engagement because nakakita ako ng mga different faces again, nagkaroon ako ng bagong experiences and mga learnings na magiging beneficial para sa akin in the near future. What have you learned? So, ang natutunan ko po dito sa community engagement na to is maraming difficulties na pwedeng makaharap, or hindi natin maiiwasan yung mga difficulties na makakaharap natin along the way, and hindi magiging successful yung mga events kung hindi dahil sa effort ng lahat, cooperation ng lahat. So as for my realization about this community engagement, na-realize ko lang na hindi lahat ng bagay sasang-ayon sa mga gusto nating mangyari, kasi meron tayong mga expectations na in reality hindi natin ma-achieve yun. Pero dapat lagi tayong prepared. So may mga things na nangyari nung sa event natin, which is nagkulang yung mga senior citizens na makaka-attend due to high heat index. So nag-incorporate tayo ng new activities para humaba yung session, para hindi ma-bored yung mga senior citizens natin, na kahit na kumuha tayo ng oras sa kanila is maibabalik natin yon ng saya, ng tuwa, and ng mga gifts na binigay natin para sa kanila. Next, for me, I think that we achieve our objectives because pinaka-reason naman kung bakit natin ginawa yung activity na to or yung event na to is to make the senior citizens happy. Especially, magkaroon tayo ng bonding with them, the two generation. That's why Connection Dalawang Henerasyon from our title. So, I think through our activities na ginawa, nagkaroon talaga ng bonding, ng strong bond. And yun nga, nagkaroon tayo ng new experiences with the senior citizens na magkakaroon ng benefits sa atin in the future. And lastly, I am very satisfied with the kind of help that I extended with our beneficiaries, because sobra-sobra nga yung mga prepared natin na foods and mga gifts, ganyan, prizes. So, nagkaroon ng mga extrang gifts sa mga senior citizens, and nabigyan din sila ng mga takeaways. So, I am very satisfied with the help, and hindi lang naman yung material things yung mahalaga doon. Ang mahalaga doon is yung napangiti natin sila, nag-enjoy sila, and at the same time, nag-enjoy din ng lahat ng ME11 and the MJ11. So, that's all. Thank you po.